I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys the wheel shims that we've created to make installing longboard wheels onto casters a lot easier. Here's the Apollo caster. What we did was we bored out the axle hose on here. So now all you're gonna have to do is put the wheel in place, grab one of your shims, feed it through from the outside. Same with this side. And now the only thing you will have to line up is the shim between the bearings. So I just used the pick to straighten out that shim in the middle between the two bearings. And from there, everything else just slides right on. Tighten the nut, and that's it. Good to go.